Ford Galaxie. A full overview. Production years: 1959 to 1974, U.S. Y middle.I-DRS Cadillac class. Full-size car. Theory overview. The Ford Galaxie was Ford Motor Company's flagship full-size model during the muscle car and space race era. Its name, A Galaxie A, was chosen to capitalize on the excitement of the space age. It became especially popular in the 1960s, standing out for its powerful V8 engines, stylish design, and strong presence in NASCAR. Y section copyright generation's key models. The Superscript 1 first generation, 1959. Debuted as a high-end version of the Ford Fairlane. Key styling features included tail fins and chrome-heavy bumpers. The Superscript 1 second generation, 1960–1964. Gained popularity with sleeker designs. Notable models: Galaxie 500, Galaxie 500 XL, and 427R code. The 427 cubic inches V8 made it the monster on the racetrack and the drag strip. The Superscript 1 third generation, 1965–1968. Complete redesign with stacked headlights and curvy lines. Introduction of the Galaxie 500 Limited, which later became the standalone Ford Limited. The Superscript 1 fourth generation, 1969–1974. More conservative, heavier, and luxury-oriented. Performance models began fading as emissions and insurance regulations grew stricter. STMI-DRS still a performance highlights. Engine options: inline 6, basic trims. Small block V8s, 289, 302, 351 cubic inches. Big block V8s, 390, 427, 428, 429 cubic inches. Horsepower ranged from till to 145 horsepower, I6, to 425 plus HP, 427 V8. Transmission options: 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, 3-speed cruise-o-matic automatic. Y racing legacy. The Galaxie 427 became a dominant force in NASCAR in the early 1960s. Its lightweight fastback design in 1963 was aerodynamically built for speed. Its macron cultural significance. A symbol of American size, power, and design in the 60s. Appeared in films and pop culture throughout the 1960s and 70s. Widely remembered by collectors today for its V8 trumbull and classic styling. The section legacy. Though discontinued in 1974, the Ford Galaxie remains a favorite among classic car enthusiasts, especially models with the 427 engine and fastback body styles.